What is special Hennessy taste?
You know, so you can't go on.
Yeah, no different taste from the regular Henny.
No, sir, I see him black clear thing at the back.
How about the black one though?
The
The one the dangerous.
one that make you jump quick, you fuck.
Dog.
The one I'm afraid of the one
The
there.
black Henny doggy.
The
Black Henny the
one
normal
I'm
brother.
afraid of the one there, man.
It's stronger, man.
What? One I'm afraid of the one there, bomb.
Alright, you did get the first night to come around, don't
Yeah,
the one in the
you
normal.
can beat the bomb book tonight. Just man, they ask me say if I blood clot jargon on me, what? Leave us in the life, blood.
People cut out this.
Yo, yeah, tell me that.
Jesus Christ.
But
You believe in a love chop?
yeah, man, believe in love. Love is real, man. Love is real. You understand? And go on for Instagram and talk about love now. Love is something that is it risk worth fighting for? You have to ask yourself that. Is it risk dealing with somebody that keep on telling you no? You have to ask yourself that. You have to know your partner and know what time it is with them. Understand? You have to know if them really love you or you ain't playing mind games. Yeah, woman ain't play mind games, man. Yeah, woman play mind games to see what you're capable of doing.
Like when I'm bridging at them, I say, yo, my new girl on deal and some things need to be done. She need a new phone. Yeah. And boom.
Dog, do it. Dog,
like
new phone.
Before a new phone start out.
Yeah.
She all over him like he name cologne.
Me I try tell you, man.
You understand? Every night he get BJ, he get
vagina,
loving. I love you, babes. Cuddle up all and same thing there.
Right.
With iPhone 14 by. A week later, it's like he loving cut off. Cause she get what she want.
But I know weird.
Is me answer?
That's how man done. That's why I not trust them. That's why I cut them. Can't trust woman, man.
But you live with your son mother. You can't. You cheat on your son mother, doggy?
You know, me never cheat on a girl. Since me and a girl there.
Yeah. But you're Jamaican, then say all Jamaican cheat.
Never go out there and nobody for that. She catch me 1 or 2 times flirting with people. You understand?
But everything you tell me, you don't mention nothing. Before, anything else you chat before you and she there?
Yeah, man. Before me and her, man. Before me and her, man.
You there, dog?
Me live my life like a junk out of pussy. Anything come cause dead.
Germs.
Man, if you tell about it, man. Stay so boom one night, you know, man. Step on the side one night, you know. Book up on this nice, pretty boom book, like, girl, and I'm going to tell you, say, yo. Get the girl number one, man. And every day we call the girl. The girl say, I'm soon call her back. Every day I call the girl say, she's soon.
She have a man.
Soon call back. So the one day, I go so boom and get fed up. Call her on FaceTime. To call. Mama lay in her bed. And mama say she be a hook. Mama lay in her bed to push.
So why she answer?
Mama lay in her bed with her husband to go.
Like he never remember when tell her?
Like he never remember saying, married to Bumbo. Mama answer the call. Me have to ask her, say, you're not gonna carry me to do my nail appointment. Me have to switch out this tour upon her like I want girl to chat to her to put a bad man missing a back going. Me have to say, you're not gonna bring me to do my nail. Me have to say, Jesus Christ, to pussy clad. You see a man weak. Hey, sometimes, you know, man, in life, you know, you do some fuck up things to get the from some girl, you know, man. Pussy clad.
Liar, pants pan fire.
Bumbo clad, man, you go through some cribbies and some corner, man, to get some girl. Something I want that about clad. You have to say, oh. John was star. I said,
but just for a nut, doggy.
Just for a nut. You have to go through so much.
But you know, so when you come to your senses though.